websites that accept debit or credit card. These are websites that accept debit or credit cards without OTP verification, which I would like you to be aware of so that you can take care of your card very well, because scammers are using it to access your money. Can you buy online with a credit or debit card without OTP? There are a few ways to buy online with a debit card without OTP. There are a few gift card stores that don't require OTP for debit card payments. These stores typically verify the customer's identity through other means such as email verification or phone verification. So that's exactly the kind of website you need if you want to buy without OTP. Let me show you exactly how it happened. In today's video, we want to make sure you keep your credit or debit card safe and avoid giving it to anyone you know that is making use of this website we want to list in this video, because they likely use it to have access to your money without your permission. But before I continue, if you are new to this Ruladel business and would like to receive more interesting videos like this, kindly subscribe to us and turn on the notification bell. If you find this video useful, do well to like and share with your friends as well. Please note that Ruladel business is not in any way promoting or encouraging any form of cybercrime with this video, rather to inform and educate their viewers on this channel. Don't ever use it against others, because if you do, you're responsible for the consequence of indulging in this format. Whether you're from America, the United States of America, Nigeria, and Canada, the UK, India, or anywhere in the world, scammers can shop online with your card without OTP through this website I want to show you. I have a similar video where I show you how they hack ATM cards. You can check it out later. Most of them, once you have picked up someone's debit card or credit card and intend to shop with it, you already know that there will be obstacles, and one of the obstacles that is very popular, that is the OTP that is used to verify the owner of a debit card, and that's why they make use of this website in order to bypass it. If you don't know what OTP is all about, then the OTP, known as one-time password, is used to stop strangers from using someone's debit card if they want to shop online. So if you anyway misplace your current Ruladel business advice, you contact your card provider immediately in order to block it, because your money is no longer safe. Now, here are some websites that accept debit or credit card without OTP verification. 1. AliExpress. Can I shop on AliExpress without OTP? Yes, you can shop on AliExpress without OTP. AliExpress is a Chinese e-commerce platform that does not require OTP verification for credit card payments. You can also use PayPal to purchase on AliExpress without having to enter your credit card information. However, if you are using a debit card or other payment method that requires OTP verification, you will need to enter the OTP code that is sent to your phone in order to complete your purchase. 2. Walmart. Walmart also allows you to make purchase using your credit card without an OTP. You can also create a Walmart account and store your payment information so that you don't have to enter it every time you make a purchase. 3. To buy gift card using MakeMyTrip.com. If they have your credit card or debit card and wish to shop online without OTP with it, Make My Trip stores is a cool place to shop online without OTP. It is one of the shopping sites without OTP most scammers use today, because they don't send OTP through their payment platform. They just visit their stores and purchase gift card with someone else's credit or debit card and then sell the gift card to vendor in their country. This is an easy way for them to shop online without OTP. 4. Get third-party software from Grammarly.com. Most scammers wouldn't need this software, but there are people out there who need it. Their main aim is to buy and resell to people who actually need the software. It's not only Grammarly.com, there is a lot of software out there too. So it depends on the one they can easily find buyers for. They just visit their website and subscribe. They can start selling the account to interested buyers. For Grammarly.com, they look for writers and let them buy it at a cheaper price. It is simple and very easy to achieve by them, so be aware when giving out your card details. 5. Amazon. Amazon allows you to purchase using your credit card without requiring an OTP. You can also store your payment information in your Amazon account so that you don't have to enter it every time you make a purchase. So get a guide for 6. Get instant cryptocurrency swaps from Change Now. This is a Bitcoin exchange that can be utilized for purchasing, selling, transferring, and storing digital currency. It securely stores a wide range of digital assets in offline storage. This is a free platform, supports more than 100 countries. You can buy and sell any digital currency and keep track of them in one place, and you can schedule your currency trading on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Also, it stores your funds in a vault for safety purposes. Change Now is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, and it supports iOS and Android devices. 7. Domain and hosting firm Namecheap.com. In this case, it just informs people that they can buy a domain and host for them at a cheaper price. Then after the agreement with the buyer, they go ahead and buy it. Most of these websites don't request OTP because the payment gateway is not linked to any bank. Well, that doesn't mean they support illegal activities, but sometimes they used to suspend users' accounts if suspicious activities were found. As long as the card information is correct on this website, scammers are good to go. I hope you learned something from this video. Let me see your comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends on social media.